Rampart Range Day, if you haven't come out, you've got to come out.
Phenomenal opportunity for us. We got about 60 different vendors here, and I didn't expect this, so awesome experience, really.
Hi, it's Greg Westfall, Colt Canada, here at Rampart Range Day. It's one of our biggest events of the year. We love being here. We're out here with our modular rail rifles and our new C20 7.62. Everyone's been having a great time shooting it, and we've just had a wonderful day here at Rampart.
This, I have to say, is probably the biggest and best range event for law enforcement, military, professional people in the country. And I travel the whole country, go to all the events, so there is nothing else like this. Definitely worth the trip.
It's always great being a part of Rampart Range Day here, getting out and see the guys and our brothers from up north, and yeah, showing them the latest and greatest with the help of Rampart.
So one of the reasons that we like coming out to Range Day is it gives us a chance to meet face-to-face with some of our existing customers.
What it means to Revision to be at an event like this, sort of priceless, if you will. You know, it gives us the ability to interact with the end users.
This allows us to get that interaction, get the guys that are actually wearing our carriers and get feedback directly from them they might not get a chance to get elsewhere.
You gotta be at Rampart Range Day. It's a must-do event for everyone.
It's a one-stop shopping, live range, just so much to look at from a standpoint of law enforcement. And it's not in Vegas, so you don't have to put up with trying to convince management to take you to Vegas. So Rampart Range Day, if you haven't come, you gotta come.